Hey my friend, what's going on? Cater here on a beautiful day, my friend. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the process on how I'm able to make $6,000 with Clickbank for free. All right, so pound that for watching this video. Pow! Now, if you've been trying to figure out this stuff and you say, hey man, it's not working out for me, I want you to pay attention to what I'm gonna be doing because it's a process, okay, for free. So I was thinking about how should I structure this video for you. Am I gonna jump into the computer? How am I gonna show it? But I say, hey, you know what? Let me just show you guys the formula and you guys can duplicate that stuff for yourself.
And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. I drop content like this all the time, and hit the bell notification for more great stuff.
Now, you should already know Clickbank, what it is, right? Clickbank is a place where people can actually host their product. Mostly what people have on there, they are digital products. Like people can get access to them right away from they get it, and they pay you every week. They pay you commissions as an affiliate. So if you're an affiliate for Clickbank, people host their products there. Some people use JVZoo, you know, different places, commission junctions and all that stuff. But Clickbank is one of the places that you can become an affiliate of other people's product. All the products that are on there, they are, you know, digital product. Let me show you some of the checks so you guys know what I'm gonna show you actually works. So I get checks from them in the mail all the time. Don't know if you guys can see this one, but there's a couple of checks here. Let me just open them and then show you. So I have this one, got a couple of them. I just received in the mail. So this one here is a check for, let's see. Let me black out my address. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, this is a small one for $269. Okay, here's a new check they just sent me. I haven't even opened this one. And this one is a little bit bigger. As you can see, the Clickbank on top. This one is for $747. So that's about almost $1,000 here. And this is another check that I got from following the same process that I'll be teaching you. This one is for $687. So this stuff I'm teaching you guys, I know it. The process, it works, okay? So how I've been able to make this money with Clickbanks, I make about $6,000 so far in the last 3 or 4 weeks. So here's the process that I use, guys. So you go hard, right? You go hard or you go home. You know what's gonna happen for yourself, guys. I can tell you, you can change your life. Okay, first, and I did it for free. Okay, this is how you can acquire sales for free in whatever that you're promoting. Okay, whatever that you're promoting. Okay, so what I did, let's call it Clickbank free. Okay, free sales. So if you're trying to get sales for products, that's what we're gonna call it. Clickbank free sales. So first of all, what I did, you need what? Pull that a little bit up. Okay, this is how I acquire my sales for Clickbanks for free. You need a low ticket product. So first you need something low that you can get people in. So I do paid traffic for an offer called MCA, which is the front gate. So like I said, guys, I can just tell you how to do Clickbank, but I want to show you the process that I'm using, which I think would be better than just tell you how to make money with Clickbanks, because there's a lot of videos on YouTube that teaches you how to make money with Clickbanks. I want to show you the process that I do to make these checks that you see here. There's checks for like 700. This check, I got a check, you know, that another check that's coming in for like $1,000. And I'm gonna show you how I get those checks for free. Okay, so first of all, you need a low ticket offer. Okay, low ticket offer, something to get people in. I'm gonna give you a couple of examples after that. So right there, it's a low ticket. For me personally, what I use is a program called Motor Club of America, MCA. Okay, MCA is 40 bucks to get started. So I run Facebook ads to an offer that's 40 bucks to get started, right? $40 to get started. So I get people to get started on that. So after you acquire, so what you want to do, you acquire a paid sale, okay? You're going to acquire a sale that you paid for, okay? So paid. So this is 40 bucks for people to get started, but every time I get paid, I get someone, they pay me $80. So $80 I make from the MCA when the people get started. All right. So now when they come in, which is the first step, okay? First step, number 1, acquire a low ticket sale. Okay. Now, after that, I want to move them through the funnel to the step 2, which is positioning. So what I do in this step, I position myself as an expert. So in this step, after I take the person, I make $80, they spend $40 to get in, I make $80 commission. So I'm spending about $20 on Facebook ads to acquire those people when they come into my funnel, right? So I'm not really losing any money. And even if I was to lose money in the front end, I'm gonna show you how I'm getting all those Clickbank sales in the back end for free, right? So when they come in, I position myself as an expert by giving them a video, something that they can gain value from. And then from there, I recommend them to a Clickbank product, okay, which is the 4%. So from there, this would be a video. This would be a video. This could be a video. It could be a training site. It could be something valuable to the people when they come in. Okay, something valuable. So V stands for both. Valuable, video. It could be anything. And then you refer them from there. What's this gonna do for you? This is gonna position you as an expert. So expert positioning. Okay, this is called expert positioning. And then it goes to the last step there, which is conversion into a Clickbank, okay? Which is now acquiring what's called a back-end sales. This is called a back-end sale. The last step, move it. Okay, right there, this last step is called back-end. So this is a Clickbank offer for me, okay? For this offer, I use the 4%, which is a system that is hosted on Clickbank that teaches people how to get traffic and make more money. So it's really offering something that they need in the back end, and all of those sales are coming 100% free. So this is 100% free for me because I set myself as an expert in between there, and then I give them a link to any products or anything. So let's say, for example, you was into the fitness, right? So first, you can either sell a product, a low ticket product, or even if you want to do something for free, right? Even if you want to give them an ebook, your own ebook for free. Let's say you was an expert into, working out at the gym. So you wanted to do that in the fitness niche. You could give them a free book, right? Which you would do paid advertising, drive traffic in the front end from Facebook, give them something for free. And then over here, right, in the back end, you give them a video, then you upsell them to, if you're into working out, it could be, how to do intermittent fasting. If you have a product on how to do intermittent fasting. Or what you could do is have your own product on the front end, which would be a low ticket product, anything between $67 to $97, right? So you run traffic to Facebook, and then after they buy your product, right, you want to position yourself either by on the website, because when they buy your product, right, you could do that inside of your product. So inside of your product, so that would be your product. So you get the traffic from Facebook, that would be your product, right? And then inside of your product, which is there, you would send them to an affiliate business, to an affiliate product on Clickbank. So now, therefore, that's called a back-end sale, and that will enable you to make money for free, which is what I've been using, okay? Now, I'm gonna put a link down below to the 4% system. If you want to check it out, guys, this is what I use. I think it's a powerful system, and that's how I've been able to make those Clickbank commission. Because in there, it teaches you affiliate marketing. It teaches different way of you learning how to market. This is something that the people that comes into my funnel, they need. So therefore, I refer them to that system where they can learn how, like this other checks that I have here is from ClickFunnels and it's part of the system. This is a ClickFunnels check from Russell Brunson. This is another thing they show you inside of the system, how to pick up back-end commission. So that's what you want to learn how to do. Now, you pay for all the front-end stuff. You paid for all the stuff on the front end, but in the back end, you're not paying for anything because you've already acquired the customer. And that's how I'm making those money on Clickbank, guys. So let me know if this stuff is powerful. This is something, once you understand this formula that I just teach you, you understand this whole process, you acquire a paid customer, you position yourself as an expert, and then you do back end sell, which is 100% free money for you. Any sales that I'm getting in the back end, I literally did not pay for the traffic because the only traffic I paid for was for the front end offer. So if you structure yourself that way, and guess what? I can add another back end offer and keep adding more back end offer to the people that's coming in the front end. So therefore, I'm always gonna make money. I know for some of you, this stuff might go over your head because you might want a step-by-step, boom, 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 that you can just go to Clickbank. This is totally different, but if you wanna be making the big money, like I said, this stuff made me $7,000 so far in about 3 weeks, and I'm gonna keep jumping it up to even more, but it's all free money. Just think about extra $7,000 to your income, to whatever you're already making in 3 weeks. So in a month, it's probably gonna be an extra $10,000 that I'm picking up from the front end traffic. So when you understand these things, guys, you can keep winning and winning and winning even more. I hope you get it, man. I hope you do. But anyway, guys, just wanted to make this video to share some stuff with you on what's happening with me and how I'm creating income with Clickbank. That's exactly how I'm doing it for free. Now, if you ever wanted to make income for free, and that can be done with any process that you have already established, have a back-end offer, position yourself, and then send people to that offer so that you can make even more commissions in the back end. That's how you can make money with Clickbank for free. All right, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. That was Cater. Appreciate you guys. Also, I'm having an event in Orlando. Depends on what time you're watching this, September 8 and 9. That's when it's gonna go down. If you wanna be part of the event, comment below, let me know, and I can tell you exactly how you can get access to it. I'll put a link down below also to the system that I use, that you can actually check it out. They have more stuff. There's a video that explains you to more on how you could do even more of that cool stuff. All right, that was Cater. Click over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. All right, click down here for another video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys later. Let's go.
Okay, guys, depending on the time you watch this video, I'm having an event in Orlando September 8 and 9. Feel free to get the link in the comment if you want to come so we can get